If you guys need any of your designs digitized, go to the website neverdenieme.com. Info is going to be in the description of the video. Today, what I got in my hand is a couple boxes that were sent to me from Sotec. Now, if you guys are not new to embroidery, you know that magnetic hoops make the job a whole lot easier. So we got a couple different sizes right here. This is a standard embroidery hoop. This one is 1.5 by 2 inches. I think 1.5 inches tall, 2 inches wide max, that would clip into my small embroidery machine right here. But instead of using a hoop like this today, let me show you guys how this one works. Now, you guys don't need to read the manual because I'm gonna show you right now live on camera how this works. Suede on it, very soft to the touch, really like it. And it also has a protective little strip here. That way it doesn't make this metal part scratch up against the plastic of your embroidery machine. It does have a template right here that lets you know which side is up. Now you want to line it up. I'm trying to do it backwards in the camera. You would put your fabric right here on top, and then you have 4 magnets that are actually just flat. Now all of these are the same on this model for this size. You simply just, you know how a magnet works, you know? Just put your magnet right there, hoop your material in, and it's that simple. A hoop like this would take the place of a hoop like this. Same size. Enough talking. Let me actually show you guys one that I've already hooped up and get this project going. This is the 4-inch hoop. Magnets on this one are just a tad bit different. These are just flathead magnets, whereas these ones have like a little thing that you want to make sure you put it on the inside of the hoop and not the outside like I actually had it in the beginning. We have already digitized our design, loaded it up into the USB stick here. My plan for today's video is to make a design that's probably going to go on this hoodie. I don't know if it's going to go up here, this side, down here, or I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it, but this is just a test for today. It also hooks into the machine the exact same way, so you don't have to do anything different to your machine. Just get you a Sotec hoop. We got it loaded up. Let's go ahead and trace our design. I do have it to where it fits into the maximum size, so it is not going to hit any of these magnets. The way you know it's the maximum size is right here. It's all the way to the edge of our 4-inch space. You do have space on top and the bottom just because of this specific design that I created here today. But one more time, let's press the trace, and all the way on the outer edge, as you guys can see, there's still well enough room for clearance. It's not going to interfere with your hoop. The first thing that we got to do is our placement stitch. And for those of you who ask about how do you do a placement stitch, the machine doesn't do anything at all, guys. It's me. It's the digitizer that can add this type of stuff in here for you. So if you need your file to have a placement stitch or tag down a stitch or anything, go to the website again, neverdenieme.com. Make sure you write in the field about the details of your project, exactly what you're looking for, and I can make that happen for you. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right here, and we will cover this up. Go ahead and get our scissors, applique scissors, got a link for these as well, and we're gonna go ahead and cut this design out. Minus the little thing that it did when I digitized it. I'll go ahead and correct that for a future version. But yeah, now that we got that, let's go ahead and toss it back into the machine and continue the stitch out. All right, looks like we're all done here. So after a little bit of editing, adjustments, I should say, with the digitizing, I figured out exactly what it was. Got it corrected for the next time, but this is how it looks for the first go round. Let's go ahead and cut it out. Matter of fact, I can just go ahead and remove it straight out the frame because I already know what I'm about to do with it next. Again, when you guys hoop this thing, make sure you put the little notch to the inside. What you kind of do, I'll show you in another video too. You kind of put it in the middle and then drag it along and boom, put it in place. When I first got this, I kind of did it like this and I thought it was supposed to hook onto the outside, and that will work as well. But as you guys can see, the size of the stabilizer that I'm using is a little bit smaller than what would actually go over the edge to fully lock it in. So do it from the inside. That's the correct way to do it, no matter what, even if you have a full size. That way it keeps it flush with the bottom, just like this. And everything should line up perfectly. Magnets are strong, but they're not like too strong to where you're gonna injure yourself, even though there is a warning on there. You surely can injure yourself, so be careful. But I don't think they're overly powerful, which is good. Something like that. What y'all think? I don't know. Or it can go somewhere on this side. Not together though. I would end up taking one off, but maybe not right there because that's the acronym for that. But I don't know. What y'all think I should do with it? Maybe I should put it on the baby onesie. What y'all think?